In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Wix. We'll walk through creating an automation that starts with a Wix event and continues with an action in Gmail, so you can save time and keep your workflows consistent. First, head to Zapier and sign into your account. If you're new to Zapier, a free plan is fine for basic testing. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Create. That opens the workspace where you'll build your automation called a Zap. Select Zaps to start a fresh one. You'll begin with the trigger, which is the event that kicks everything off. Click Trigger, then use the app search bar and type Wix. When Wix appears, select it. Zapier will then ask you to choose a trigger event. Pick the one that matches your use case, for example, a new form submission, a new contact, or an order event. A quick tip here, it helps to have at least one recent example in your Wix site, like a test form entry, so Zapier can pull in real data during setup. Next, connect your Wix account. Sign into Wix when prompted and approve the connection. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one for this automation. After connecting, click Test Trigger. Zapier will fetch a sample from your Wix account. If nothing shows up, create a quick test in Wix, submit your form or create a dummy contact, then try the test again until you see usable data. With the trigger working, move on to the action, which defines what happens after Wix fires. Click Action and search for Gmail, then select it. Now choose your action event, such as send email. You'll be guided to connect your Gmail account if you haven't already. Keep in mind Gmail's sending limits and plan accordingly for higher volumes. You'll see fields like to, subject, and body. This is where you map data from the Wix trigger into your email. For example, insert the visitor's email into the to field and include form answers in the message body. Use the sample data Zapier pulled in to preview exactly what will be sent, and add placeholders or formatting to keep messages clear and professional. When you're ready, click Test Trigger again as prompted to validate the flow with your sample data. If the test succeeds, you'll see confirmation that Zapier can read from Wix and prepare your Gmail action correctly. That's it. You've linked Wix to Zapier and set up Gmail as the action, creating a reliable automation you can reuse and adapt for other processes.